Emergencies are unpredictable, but being prepared can make the difference between a controlled situation and a catastrophe. That's where an emergency response plan, or ERP, comes into play. An emergency response plan is a critical document that outlines the actions, responsibilities, and resources required to handle emergencies effectively. It ensures that potential incidents are anticipated, well thought out, and handled promptly. By planning ahead, you reduce chaos and confusion, allowing for swift, decisive action when it matters most. A well-prepared ERP transforms a potential catastrophe into a manageable incident. In the UK, having an ERP isn't just good practice, it's the law for high-hazard installations. For instance, onshore facilities must comply with the Control of Major Accident Hazards, or COMAH, regulations of 1999. Offshore activities are governed by the Offshore Installation Safety Case Regulations 2005 and the Prevention of Fire and Explosion and Emergency Response Peer Regulations of 1995. These laws ensure that organizations are prepared to protect workers, the public, and the environment. What makes a good ERP? A well-crafted ERP specific to its site and covers these essential components. 1. Foreseeable emergency scenarios identify and evaluate all potential emergencies, from minor on-site incidents to major disasters like severe storms or hazardous leaks. 2. Organizational roles and responsibilities. Clearly define the chain of command, such as the emergency response team and incident commanders. 3. Response procedures outline step-by-step actions, from detecting the problem to ensuring everyone is safe. This includes shutdowns, cleanup, and decontamination. 4. Resource availability. Ensure sufficient personnel, equipment, and materials, including specialized tools, in an emergency control center. 5. Evacuation protocols. Develop clear, efficient evacuation procedures. 6. Communication plans. Establish robust communication channels for internal coordination. Regulatory reporting, escalation, and even media handling. 7. Training and drills. Regularly train your team and test your plan through drills to ensure readiness. An emergency response plan isn't just a document, it's a lifeline. It demonstrates preparedness, protects lives, and ensures regulatory compliance. Whether you're managing an industrial site or working offshore, having a robust ERP means being ready for anything. Remember, preparation today saves lives tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights on safety and emergency preparedness.